Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, but it's really not going to be testing any hot flash and wrinkles stuff. But it kind of always is. So we are going to be, oh wait, I need to talk to you guys first. I need to ask a favor of you guys. I received a email today from Google that said that I haven't had any ad activity on my channel for 6 months. So they are going to deactivate my channel or my AdSense if I don't have any activity in the next 30 days. They will deactivate it at the end of the 30 days if I haven't had any activity. So what I'm asking is that you guys click the ads and let them run, and maybe click through to the whatever the product is. And I don't know if that'll do it, but if we could do that and just see if maybe they don't deactivate my channel, because if I disappear, that's why that wasn't enough. But that's what it said in the email, that if I have activity in the next 30 days, they won't deactivate the channel. So if you guys could just click on the ads that run in the during the videos, I would appreciate it. And we'll see if we can stop this. I already contacted my kids and told them to watch them, and my grandkids, and said, watch my videos and click on the ads. So hopefully we'll be able to stop it. Anyways, on with the video. Today we are doing a minimalist look. And I don't mean minimalist as in minimal makeup, although it kind of is. It's more like minimal amount of products I use. And this is kind of what I would wear if I was like in a hurry, which I always am, but this is really hard for me too, because it's basically cutting out steps, and I don't like cutting out steps. If I'm gonna wear makeup, I'm gonna wear the works. But I'm gonna show you in case, you guys don't wanna do the whole thing that I normally do. So, I am going to be starting off with my tinted moisturizer from Wet n Wild, because I really like this, and I'm not doing the TikTok method or anything like that. I can't remember if this goes a long way or if I need more. I'm just gonna kind of spread it around a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with a sponge. Yeah, I'm gonna need more. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face, because I'm not gonna wear concealer. That's one of the things I'm gonna cut out, and so I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. I've never done this, but I thought about it and I thought, well, this is what I would do if somebody gave me like 15 minutes to get ready to go with them somewhere. This is what I would do. So that's why I'm putting it on up close to my eyes and on my eyelids. Make sure I get it in all these creases. Pull it down my neck a little, just a little though, and then maybe build up a little bit under my eyes, on my cheeks, just because I still had some on my hand. The places that I normally would put concealer. Alright, now I'm just going to go in with a sponge real quick and blend it out. Actually, I'm just making sure it's in all the creases. And I am going to powder it, because I love my powder, and anything that I'm not feeling great about with this foundation, my powder can fix. So I'm going to, and plus I have no highlight under my eyes or anything, so we definitely need the powder too. brighten it up a bit. And down here. So I'm really going to put powder everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my powder brush real quick. Just make sure it's all smooth. Okay, now we're going to go in with our Bobbi Brown bronzer in Natural and contour and bronze and just add all the color this is all the color we're going to add to the face. I'm not going to do any blush or any highlight. Just this. And then I'm going to pull this into my crease a bit. Just like that. And then I'm just going to take a little bit and add it to the outer corner to help lift this. Now, I'm going to take this. Let's see if we can. Actually, I should have done this a little bit more here first. Get it all blended in. And then go in with this and just get that all blended. Pull it down my neck. And that is it for that. Now we're going to do my eyebrows. And I was going to I tried this on my eyebrows because I thought, ooh, that would be, you know, work if we'd have one less product. And it didn't work. So we're going to use the Kabrow. And the spoolie broke off on this one, but I have a little throwaway one over here that I didn't throw away. So we'll just do this real quick. Ha. I hope. Brows are not usually real quick, but we're gonna try to make it quick. Tone that down a little bit. Run that across it. Now we're going to do my lashes. And we're just going to curl them real quick. And then I'm trying this new Grande Mascara. It's not new. It's new to me. Now, if my lashes were like super long like they used to be, I would stop with this. But they're not, so I'm probably gonna put on lashes too. But we'll see. Maybe this Grande lash will make them look grand. And then I can be done. Yeah, they're not. I like it though, pretty good. I don't know, it's hard to tell the first time you open it, because it's more liquidy than after it, like, it's been open for a while. It will thicken up a little bit. And then sometimes they get too clumpy for me. This one's pretty good right now though. I like it. Is it enough? Maybe. It's getting better. Maybe with 4 or 5 coats. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry before I flick off all that I got on my lid. In the meantime, I'm putting on my Laneige lips, which is almost gone, this little sample one. And I keep the other one downstairs so I can put it on before I go to bed. Well, that didn't take very long, did it? This would be my look, except I might put lashes on. I don't know though, I'm kind of liking this mascara. I think my lashes are getting close. Okay, that's it. That's what I would do. That would be my look. This is my minimalist. I used how many products? I used 1, 2, let's see. I used foundation, which is, this is actually a BB cream, or a tinted moisturizer, I think is what it is. So 1, 2 is my powder, always use my powder. 3, Kabrow. 4, and mascara. 5, and then the lip. So 6 products. That's amazing for me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and hopefully I'll still be here. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Boy, I'm really tripping through this, huh? I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope I get to stay, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.